I'm gonna get you comfortable.
Okay.
Okay. ¿Cuántos niños cada día?
No, solamente uno.
Oh, sí?
Ujú.
Es una chica. No es chico.
Ujú.
Es funny. Niño, niño. Es normal.
Ya, pero I don't want it.
Adiós. Muy simple. Normal.
Ujú.
We call this a explantation or a take out, leave out. Kind of a nice way to say it. I'm taking them out and I'm leaving them out. Many people opt or decide that they want to have implants back in, so we do a take out, put back in, or remove and replace. This one we call take out, leave out. Someone doesn't want their implants anymore. It can be broken, it can be not broken, it can be anything really. If you don't want your implants, then this is the operation, because come on, it's done under local, can be done under local, doesn't have to, but it's a good idea to do it under local. That way there's no recovery, no real recovery. It's less expensive that way too. But pretty much anybody who has breast implants can do it this way. There's some patients I wouldn't do this way, but I don't know who they would be. I gotta, see their body and say, oh yeah, you can do it. If I don't know much about their breast implant, they can probably still do it this way. Even a ruptured silicone implant can do it this way. Most people have me take them out because they are just done with them.